Are you having trouble with your SIM card on your iPhone? Perhaps you've recently switched to a new carrier or inserted a new SIM only to find that it's not supported by your device. In this video, we'll explore what happens when your SIM isn't supported on iPhone and what steps you can take to resolve the issue. Open your browser, go to skynettool.com and log into your account. I will show you how to check which operator your device belongs to. After logging in, click on the service list and select IMEI list to search for carrier service check. Then we will know which carrier your device is. Then we properly select service for unlock. Now I type IMEI to check carrier status. Wait 1 to 5 minutes after placing the order. The page will display the information after reloading. After 5 minutes later, reloading page and see all information. You can see its carrier lock from T-Mobile, so we can unlock it for worldwide SIM use. After unlock, before ordering, don't forget to turn off iCloud, because if iCloud is not turned off when you unlock the carrier, after unlock SIM, if you said you forget iCloud password, we not responsibility. Now open skynettool.com, T-Mobile service, search my case. I need to unlock my iPhone 13 Pro Max. I need to select it. After ordering with IMEI, after submitting, I need to wait 24 hours. Now I will easily show you what the problem is when inserting a SIM card, and I will tell you some more information. Are you having trouble with your SIM card on your iPhone? Perhaps you've recently switched to a new carrier or inserted a new SIM only to find that it's not supported by your device. In this video, we'll explore what happens when your SIM isn't supported on iPhone and what steps you can take to resolve the issue. From understanding the reasons behind the lack of support to finding alternative solutions, we'll cover it all. Whether you're experiencing issues with your current SIM or looking to switch to a new one, this video will provide you with the information you need to get back up and running. Tune in to learn more about iPhone SIM support and how to troubleshoot common problems. You can see I placed the order. I have to wait 24 hours. I will get an email when it's done. After 24 hours, I see my order has been completed. Hopefully, I will be successful in unlocking my device. I will show you after inserting the SIM. Will the SIM work? I have only one request. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button.